I have only one question.
Okay, tell me.
Yeah, so I stopped smoking for some
Okay.
time for around 3.5 months,
Hmm.
but I was feeling low for around 7 8 days continuously. Then
Okay.
I again started smoking, and now I'm not able to quit it.
Mm-hmm.
So I stopped myself for 7 8 days, but continuously I was feeling low.
Mm.
So at that time I again started. So I don't know now how to quit, because whenever I'm trying to quit again, I am getting depressed then.
Okay. Okay. Fine. You're taking any medicines?
Yeah, I'm taking, yeah.
Okay. Which medicines you're taking?
Lamitor 100.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. Mm,
Uh,
now,
three
since
three of that and one Prestige 100.
okay. Okay. Fine. And now, since how many years you are smoking?
Uh, I started in my so from 2014.
Okay. How many cigarettes you're smoking now?
Now around four
Four
a day.
per day.
Uh,
Four per day, or how is it?
yeah, four per day.
Four
Mm.
per day. Okay. Okay. For what reason you started the smoking?
Yes, only because I was continuously feeling low. So I don't know, when I feel low, I just go for smoking. I don't know why, but it's just usual for me.
Okay.
Whenever I feel low, I go for
So
smoking.
when you smoke, is it that you feel better? I mean, you feel high, or how is it? It is just a habit.
It's just a habit, but for 5 10 minutes, I started feeling better for
Okay.
around 10
Better
15
in the
minutes.
sense how?
It gives some. I don't know what it does in mind, but yeah, it gives some positive thing in my mind.
Okay. 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 You get some relief.
Yeah. I get some relief. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Is it like, whenever you have some fight with somebody at that time also you will go and smoke?
No. I usually don't fight.
Hmm.
Yeah.
You
So
don't.
I
Okay.
know, I know it is bad. I know, my depression will get worse after that.
Hmm.
But still, I got towards smoking when I stopped myself for 6 7 days. But after then, yeah, it was not
Okay.
possible.
Okay, fine. See, basically, you need to make up your mind, that from today onwards, I'm going to stop my smoking. Okay, you need to use your willpower also. First thing is, see, giving up smoking is a tough job. Okay, but if once make a firm decision, definitely you will be able to come out of it. Okay, so what you have to do, whenever you get that urge to smoke, is your question, isn't it? How to deal with that problem. Now, Sharad, what you need to do is, suppose you're getting the urge now by another 5 minutes to smoke. At that time, what you need to do is, first thing is, usually what we tell our patients is follow 4 Ds. Okay, 4 Ds are, delay, okay, drink water, deep breathing, and distract. Okay,
Yes.
so whenever you get the urge to smoke, tell your mind that I'm going to smoke, but maybe after 3 hours, not immediately.
So correct. See, I stopped myself for 6 7 days.
Yes, we
So
no, what I mean to say is, now you're feeling like, again taking it, right?
mhm.
Huh. So now you tell your mind, see, the moment you say, I'm
No,
going to give up, pardon?
I started.
Huh, you've started. So the
Uh,
reason is, the moment you say your mind, tell your mind, now from today onwards, forever, I'm not going to smoke. So if you tell your mind like that, what happens? Sometimes mind will resist. Okay, mind will purposely will create the urge, to smoke. So don't tell your mind I'm going to stop completely. Tell your mind, now I'm getting the urge to smoke. Fine, I'll smoke, but maybe after 5 hours. Okay, after 4 hours, again you tell your mind now I'm getting the urge, but then I'll smoke maybe tomorrow.
mm,
Postponing it, you're delaying the urge.
yeah, correct.
Got it? So every time you feel the urge, you tell yourself, I'm going to postpone it by another 5 hours or 6 hours.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so like that you postpone it, number one. Okay, but still within that five hours, if you're again feeling like smoking, then what you need to do is you just have to drink water. Take a glass of water and slowly start drinking consciously. Okay, so drinking water also brings down your urge to smoke or take alcohol to
Oh, okay.
a great extent. Okay, so this second D you can follow. But in spite of it, if you're feeling like, if you're again having the urge to smoke, then what you need to do is you need to do, deep breathing. It could be Kapalabhati. You know how to do Kapalabhati?
No.
Okay, that is deep expiration, like, exhalation.
Okay, fine, fine.
Okay.
I know. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you need to exhale it continuously for 5 to 10 minutes. So what
Mm-hmm.
happens is you're throwing out the carbon dioxide and fresh oxygen is going inside and you're feeling fresh. So why you're taking smoking a cigarette? Because you feel little bit, relief. So the same relief you'll be feeling with your deep breathing also. So naturally, like, you will be able to postpone your smoking. Okay. So that
Yeah,
you
correct.
can
Okay,
follow.
that thing when, yeah, when I'm in home, that okay, I can stop myself. But when I'm out, as soon as I saw some shop, okay, then how to stop? Like if I'm outside.
Okay. Then you tell yourself, now I'll not be going to this shop. Maybe after 5 hours, whichever shop is available, I'll go there and smoke. Don't
Okay.
resist your mind. Don't tell your mind, I'm going to stop now. No, 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 I should not go at all. Sometimes when we are going, like, we will see one shop and something nice will be there. At that time, we feel like buying it, but then we'll tell our mind, no, don't want today. Maybe tomorrow I will have it. We'll buy this. Okay, at that time,
Okay.
mind will not resist. Mind will not fight with you.
Mm,
Got it? So you tell yourself, okay, this shop is there anyway. Like, while after 5 or 6 hours, I'll come and, smoke here.
okay.
Okay. So you need to trick your mind. These are all, to trick your mind basically, initially. Got
Mm,
it? So at that time, probably you can, the moment you see the shop and you're feeling like going there, then you start breathing deeply also. May not be Kapalabhati. Just breathe in deeply and breathe out deeply. That itself will freshen up, because of the more of fresh oxygen is going inside. You feel more fresh and more, you will calm. At that time, you will not have the urge to go there immediately and smoke.
yeah, correct. Yeah.
Got it? So that, that D or that technique you can follow. Or
Mm,
else what you can do is there is something called as the fourth D is distract. You need to distract your mind. Got it? Okay. So this, how to distract your mind is you should learn to satisfy your five senses. Okay.
okay.
So what are the five sensory organs?
Yeah. Tongue, nose.
Eyes, ears, nose,
Yeah.
tongue, and touch. Okay, these are the five sensory organs. So what happens is whatever pleasure you get it from outside, you're getting through your five senses. Suppose you're eating a good food, a lot of endorphins will be secreted in the brain. Okay, so you feel
Mm,
good about
yeah,
it,
correct.
good hormones. So what is happening now? You're the actually, like, before starting your smoking, what was happening? You were getting pleasure, you were getting, satisfaction through so many other ways also. For example, eating good food, you were getting satisfaction. Maybe meeting your good friend, you were getting some, good feeling. Like that it was happening. But now what is happening? If you smoke only, like, you're getting the pleasure.
Yes.
By smoking itself, like only by smoking, you start getting, happiness or stress relief or whatever it is. Because cigarette is a additive. It's like addiction. So what happens is the brain slowly, the endorphin, that is called the good hormone in the brain. Okay,
Yeah,
good
correct. Yeah.
neurochemical in the brain, sorry. Okay, so this will get produced, okay, before it was getting produced by so many other ways. But
Mm,
now it is getting produced only because of cigarette or only because of alcohol. Okay, that is why there is so much of, urge to smoke, urge to take alcohol. Got it? So now what you need to do is you have to slowly reverse it, reverse the process.
Mm.
Okay. How to reverse the process is you need to satisfy your five senses. Okay. So now how to satisfy your five senses is you need to make a list of things like, for example, you need to satisfy your ears. Like write down which all musics, what you like to hear. Maybe motivational talk you like to hear, or maybe you have some favorite music. Okay. List it out. Okay. In the same way, list out what all things you like to see. So you need to satisfy your eyes also. Okay. So list out even those things like, maybe you have your own, favorite movies. Maybe you like detective movies. Maybe you like, some romantic movies. So list out all those things. And then, eating, tongue you need to satisfy. List out your favorite, dishes. It could be your home food or it could be hotel food. Okay. List out those things. And then in the same way, touch. Okay.
Mm.
Probably you like to get, some Ayurvedic massage. You have your own particular way of satisfying your touch. Okay.
Mm.
That also you list it out. Okay. Now what you do whenever you are getting the urge to smoke, at that time, distract your mind by doing something which can satisfy your five senses. Either listen to your favorite music, or watch your favorite movie, or eat your favorite dish, or else you go to some Ayurvedic spa or somewhere, get your nice oil massage done for your body, so that your senses will get activated, will get satisfied. So by satisfying the senses, what you're doing indirectly, you're actually activating the endorphin production. So even with these by these five sensory organs, also you're getting, lot of pleasure, lot of satisfaction. So at that time, what happens? Your urge to smoke will start
Mm.
coming down. So rather, whenever you get the urge to smoke, at that time you start doing one of these things.
Mm.
Got it, Sharad?
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
got it. Got it.
Yeah. So this is the way you need to replace your urge with the either you delay it, or you drink water, or you start doing deep breathing, or else you distract with your, good music or good movie, or, good dish. So slowly, what happens? Endorphins, or the good hormones which are getting secreted, will start getting secreted even without cigarettes.
Mm.
At that time, you will start feeling, oh my God, I'm all right now. Why should I smoke?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Also, I was thinking of putting a positive affirmation for that cigarette.
Yes. Yeah, that is also, in addition to this, you need to do positive suggestions. Probably you can say like, every day in every way, I'm becoming better and better. Every day in every way, I'm becoming independent and happy and joyful.
Yeah,
Okay.
so currently this one and one more other, I am doing that positive affirmation.
Mm.
But I was thinking of specifically for smoking.
Okay, that's what. For this specifically for smoking, you can use two suggestions. One is I'm uh, I'm releasing the pattern. See, basically, this has become a pattern in your mind. That is, you're getting stressed and immediately you're going and smoking. Got
Yeah.
it? So this is a new pattern which has happened in your brain since few years, right? Before that, it was not there. Now you need to break that pattern. So for that, the suggestion is, I'm willing to release the pattern that is causing this smoking habit. That
Okay.
means you yourself are willingly leaving this pattern which has happened in your deep subconscious mind. Okay, you're willingly leaving that, letting go of this habit, this pattern. Okay, so repeat the suggestion. I'm willing to release the pattern that is causing this smoking habit. Okay, you repeat it as many times as possible. And along with that, you repeat one more suggestion, that every day, in every way, I'm becoming better and better.
Yeah, that
Every
one I'm
day,
doing. Yeah.
yeah, every day, in every way, I'm becoming very happy, joyful, and very independent. Okay, so start repeating these suggestions and start following 4Ds. Definitely, you will be able to overcome your smoking habit.
Yeah, I also noticed that after repeating the suggestions, like earlier suggestions, I am feeling better. Like
Yeah.
from, I think from past 1 week only, I am doing that.
Mm.
So I
It's very
think that,
good. Actually, suggestions are extremely powerful. You
yeah,
know,
yeah,
yeah, start repeating it. And in spite of it, if you're finding it difficult, then you need to take the tablets.
okay, yeah.
Yeah.
But tablets I'm taking like every day.
No, that is different. Okay.
Okay, tablets
Yeah.
for smoking
Yeah.
specifically.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
So what happens is, like, first try to follow these 4Ds, that you continue the tablet, whichever you're taking right from the beginning. Okay.
Mm,
Along with that, you follow this 4Ds, which I told you.
okay,
4Ds are delay, drink water, deep breathing, and distract. Okay.
okay.
And along with that, you do the suggestion. See,
Mm.
once you do it with lot of intensity and sincerity, definitely you'll be able to come out of it with this
Yeah, yeah,
itself.
I know, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. But suppose you're finding it difficult, then, so one more tablet has to be added in addition to whatever you're taking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I will be able to without tablet. Yeah, yeah, I
Yes,
can.
yes. You have the willpower, sure. I can see it.
Uh, uh,
Yeah.
yeah, I did it earlier also. So yeah, it's just when I'm like continuously 6, 7 days or that time. Okay, it happened.
Yeah.
So,
Sharad, that is a very good sign. Once people who have left once, it just goes to shows that that person has got very good willpower.
mm,
Got it? So you have already, exhibited your willpower. So it is just that, again, like, you just have to decide once more so that, you will be able to come out of this.
mm-hmm.
Yeah. And also, like, it is said that Surya Namaskara, okay, it is extremely good to come out of such, habits. Okay. So in a day, if you are able to do, 12 times Surya Namaskara or 24 times, if you can do it 108 times, nothing like it. But you can gradually go on increasing it. So if you can do it disciplinedly, your health will improve. Okay.
Mm,
And then your concentration will improve. And, Surya Namaskara is one, this thing, it's a yogic, this thing practice wherein it works at various levels. It works at physical level, mental level, emotional level, and at spiritual level.
okay.
Okay, so start doing yoga, Surya Namaskara also every day. So,
Mm,
in fact, a lot of studies are going on, about Surya Namaskar, which has proved that, Surya Namaskar is very helpful in, coming out of addictions and habits.
okay, okay. Maybe I will think because I'm doing Shambhavi Mudra and that positive affirmation things also. So it
Yeah,
takes time. Yeah.
true,
So
true. Yeah, start
okay.
implementing these,
Mm,
tips.
mm.
Definitely, you will be able to come out of it.
Okay, I will, yeah, start doing this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any other
So
questions?
no, no. Currently, this is the one. Yeah.
Okay. So do it sincerely. Okay. So do it sincerely, and once you put your heart and soul into all these things, into your suggestions and to your 4Ds and to your Surya Namaskara, then your whole outlook itself will change. It is,
Yeah, yeah. Correct.
see, basically what happens, when you are giving up some habit, lot of energy will be released.
Mm,
Got it? That energy you can utilize it in a negative way, like going into deep into depression, or it can be used in the creative way, like you know taking some creative actions. It can be diverted. Okay.
yeah, yeah,
And now,
yeah.
once when you have decided that you want to give up smoking, since it is your own decision, like lot of energy will be released, and that energy you can use it for your creativity and productivity.
Okay, I will start doing that. Yeah.
Yes.
Uh, okay, I will start doing that. Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, start doing it. Definitely you'll be able to come out of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then yeah, that was the only question. Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Okay. So we'll see you next time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure. Yeah. Mm.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
Okay, bye.